Unlock your potential today at skillbakery.com.
In this one, we'll be looking how we can customize global user settings and the status line in Claude Code. To demonstrate that, I'll be making use of the Cloud Power Line, which is provided by allloops.com. And here on their website, they have given the instructions on how you can install it using the npm package manager and the usage of it. What we'll do is we'll go to the repository, GitHub repository, and over here, when you scroll down, we have the Cloud Power Line, which is a Vim-style Power Line status line for Claude Code with real-time usage tracking, Git integration, and custom themes. Now, these are the themes that we have: Dark, Light, Nod, Tokyo Night, Rose Pine, and you can even create your own. So here we have to follow the installation instructions. It says that add to your Claude Code settings.json file. Now, you just need to copy this from here and you need to paste it in your settings.json file. But the question is where exactly the settings.json file is. For example, in our current directory, we have the settings.local.json. We can create a file over here as well inside the project directory itself, settings.json, and we can put this inside that settings.json file. What we'll do is that whenever you will launch the project, then only this command line that we have configured will be activated. Otherwise, for any other project, the Claude Code will not make use of the Cloud Power Line at all. If you want to install this at a global level so that no matter what project you are working on, this should be applied automatically. For that, what we need to do is create the settings.json file inside the user directory. So in my case, on Windows operating system, the path is over here. C drive users, then the username, and then inside that we have the .cloud. So what I did, I created a settings.json file, and inside that settings.json file, I pasted the code that I copied from the GitHub website. And once that's done, I needed to just launch my Claude Code extension. And as soon as it launched, you can see that it is now showing me the dark theme by default. And here we have the cloud, the model, and how many tokens I have, and the cost, and everything else along with it. So that's how easy it is to customize global user settings in Claude Code extension.
If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.